This thing goes on for quite a few miles. Well, good morning. Today is day 20 of my bike ride from Beaufort, South Carolina to my home in Connecticut. And I'm about ready to leave. I did decide to take a hotel last night. I'm at the Riverton Inn in Belvedere, New Jersey. So this morning I'm gonna make my way up to my Airbnb in Highland, New York. And then I'll be preparing tomorrow to go from Highland to Connecticut to make it back to my home state. So let's see how that goes. Let's get moving. Cycling through Wallkill, New York. Looks like any other town in upstate New York. It's a beautiful day. It is 69 degrees and sunny with very low humidity. So it's a good ride. On for quite a few miles. I guess this was asphalt at one time. Single track rail trail. Well, this is a very nice trail I'm on here in Wallkill, and they say that it's got a couple of more miles before it turns into pavement. Right now it's pretty rough gravel, but that's okay. We're gonna press on and let's go. I had to stop here and take a look at this beautiful view and talk to these two nice people. What are your names?
Tim and Brenda.
Tim and Brenda. Nice to meet you. Well, this is the beautiful view from this bridge. It is awesome. And my new friends over here, you're sitting on a bench that was donated
in memory of my parents.
Robert and Magdalena.
Oh, your parents. Isn't that nice?
It was a gift from my husband to me in memory of that.
Wow.
Because of the view. We put it here because of that view.
That's super.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Well, that's amazing. And then you can come here and enjoy the view and in remembrance, you know.
I bike on this trail quite a bit.
Yes. Good.
I'll be your next 30 miles. I'm very familiar with all this trail.
Okay. Such a beautiful day. It was awesome to meet that couple sitting on the bench. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Guess I'm at the end of that portion. Passing on your left. Well, I found the paved trail alongside of the highway here. It's very nice. The Hudson Valley Rail Trail. I believe this is the big one, part of the new initiative that goes from New York City to the Canadian border. Hello. On your left. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. as can be. Time to get off the trail and look for my Airbnb. I will get off here in Highland New Pavilion. Considering my Airbnb is in Highland, this might be a good place to get off.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be.